Wolverhampton, and in particular this part of the evening, which is about unveiling our Formula 3 car for the brand new season. My name is Ian Oakes. I'm Deputy Vice Chancellor at the University. So this is our Formula 3 Cup car for the 2018 season. As Shane mentioned, we've done work on it over the summer to eke out further tenths of seconds, etc. Done a lot of work with the data analysis to see where we gain time, where we're losing time, etc. But most importantly, we've added to it the new livery of the University of Wolverhampton, which makes all that difference, I think, Shane, really, in terms of top speed. So can I ask the guys to whip the cloth off, and we'll give it a round of applause, please. I think you'll all agree that that's one impressive looking car. Thank you, lads, well done. That's one impressive looking car, and we're hoping it's not only the fastest car, but it's the prettiest looking car as well.
I'm very lucky to be a sponsor. We've signed a 3-year agreement, and this is really the start of a nice partnership that I see us building up over those 3 years. Having the logo on the car is just a start, really, and that's just the cherry on the cake, really. What we're looking for is to get the Tungaloy product into the students, and as well as that, really share with them our knowledge of the industry. We're going to treat them a little bit like a customer. So, like we do for our customers, we're all there for technical support, so they can call on us any time, as long as it's working hours, they can come and call us. But we're here to support them. We'll be getting them on the machines and actually getting them involved in real life applications that we have. So, we can bring it here, and when they leave, they're going to have actually have used our tools, where our customers actually use our tools on the materials that is really happening out there in the industry. So when you add that to what they're doing now, part of the race team, they're also getting real life benefits. Like their team is very professional, like a professional team. This is another part of that they're going to have real life experience when they leave their course and help them get a job. It's going to put them ahead of the people who aren't in the team, really.